All right, Peter. You got a couple more bulbs to change. Then we can get out of here. We be finished for the day. I ready to go home.
Why we gotta change all these bulbs anyway? I mean, just changed this about a month ago.
Hey, boy, what you doing? Be careful with that.
Big electrician like you and you scared of bulb?
Peter, it ain't that, you know. Mercury in them, bro, are not toxic. That's why we changing them out anyhow. The more mercury-free alternative. Because these ones more efficient, plus they shine brighter.
You sure mercury in here? Because I ain't seen none.
Mercury right in there, man. Trust me, Peter. Plus it's bad for your health. Things like headaches, kidney failure, impaired brain function can happen and all. And it can be particularly dangerous to infants and women of childbearing age as it can cause development issues for the young.
Really? Well, I need to change all the bulbs in my house because Candace's pregnant.
Bro, not only in bulbs, you know, but also in thermometers and blood pressure gauges as well.
Well, mercury found in everything, eh? Next thing you can tell me, mercury found in my teeth.
Boy, don't laugh, bro. But real talk, though, silver dental amalgam fillings do have mercury in them. But if someone has a filling and there's no decay, then that's not to be changed. But here in the Bahamas, many of our dentists done switch to using composite fillings, which are mercury-free.
Boy, this starting to sound a little serious. What I can do to protect myself against that chemical?
There are lots of things you can do to safeguard yourself and your family from mercury poisoning. Firstly, handle items containing mercury with care. When in use, they are fine, but broken, mercury-containing items can pose a threat and should be disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. Additionally, you should consider using mercury-free alternatives to products you already use. Those would be much safer alternatives.
Man, thanks, man. That's useful information. I'll be sure to do those things.
Great. Nah, you can start off by pulling them up like you got some sense.
Oh, sorry.